Here is something that will probably make you uncomfortable. According to data from the Federal Reserve, the median retirement savings for Americans between the ages of 55 and 64, the people who should be closest to retirement, is approximately $134,000. $134,000 in accounts that need to last 20 to 30 years. If you withdraw 4% of that annually, the standard safe withdrawal rate, you get $5,360 per year. That is roughly $446 per month. Added to the average Social Security benefit of about $1,700 per month, you are looking at a total retirement income of just over $2,100 per month for someone who worked their entire adult life. That is not retirement. That is survival. My name is Harvey, and today I'm going to explain exactly why this happens, show you the benchmarks that tell you whether you are on track, and give you the 3 specific actions that prevent you from becoming part of this statistic. Subscribe and hit the like button if this is the retirement conversation you have been putting off. The retirement crisis is not a sudden event. It is the result of decades of small behavioral patterns that feel harmless in the moment and catastrophic in aggregate. There are 3 reasons why most people undersave for retirement. First, retirement feels impossibly far away. When you are 30, 35, or even 40, retirement exists as an abstract future concept. The urgency of rent, groceries, and car payments is immediate. The urgency of retirement is theoretical, and human brains are not wired to sacrifice immediate concrete needs for distant abstract ones. The retirement account loses every competition with the present. Second, lifestyle inflation consumes the raises that should be going to retirement. Every time income increases, the retirement contribution stays the same dollar amount, while spending increases to meet the new income. The percentage of income going to retirement quietly shrinks year over year without anyone noticing. Third, most people have no benchmark. They contribute something, feel vaguely responsible about it, and avoid calculating whether something is actually enough. The avoidance feels better than the potential bad news. Let me give you the benchmark, because avoidance ends today. The standard guidance from most financial planners is the following. By age 30, you should have 1 times your annual salary saved for retirement. By age 35, 2 times. By age 40, 3 times. By age 45, 4 times. By age 50, 6 times. By age 55, 7 times. By age 60, 8 times. If you earn $60,000 per year and you are 40, you should have approximately $180,000 in retirement savings. Not to stress you out, to give you a specific number to work toward. A target is not a judgment. It is a navigation point. Now let me show you the most important number in retirement planning. The cost of a 10-year delay. If someone starts investing $300 per month at age 25, earning an average 8% annual return, they will have approximately $1 million by age 65. If they wait until age 35 to start the same $300 per month at the same return, they will have approximately $440,000 by age 65. Same monthly contribution, same return. A 10-year delay costs $560,000. That is not a typo. Every decade you delay begins approximately halving your retirement outcome. This is the compound cliff, the point where time becomes more valuable than money in the retirement equation. Here is the reframe that changes how you think about retirement contributions. Retirement is not a single decision you make once. It is a monthly decision that happens automatically or does not happen at all. The people who retire comfortably are not the people who sat down at 45 and made a dramatic commitment to retirement. They are the people who set up an automatic contribution at 28 and never turned it off. The decision happened once. The result compounded for 35 years. So here are the 3 actions. Action 1. Maximize your employer match immediately. If your employer offers any matching contribution to your 401k and you are not contributing at least enough to capture the full match, You are leaving free money on the table. This is not optional. This is a 50% to 100% guaranteed return on the matched dollars. Start here. Action 2. Target 15% of your gross income toward retirement. This is the number that gets most people to their benchmarks on time. If you are behind, start with whatever percentage you can manage today and increase by 1% every 6 months until you reach 15%. Action 3. Invest in low-cost index funds and stop thinking about it. A total market index fund with an expense ratio below 0.10% is all most people need. The complexity most people associate with investing is not required and is often counterproductive. Set it, automate it, leave it alone.
The people who retire comfortably are not the highest earners in the room. They are the most consistent. They captured the employer match. They increased contributions with every raise. They invested in boring index funds and did not touch them during market downturns. They let compound interest do the work that discipline alone could never accomplish. The median retirement account does not have to be your story, but you have to decide that today, not next year, not after the next raise, today. Because every month you wait is a month compound interest is working for someone else instead of you.